Hey everybody, thanks for coming back to my channel. So today I got this new Ryobi tool, which is the vacuum. It's a 6-gallon wet and dry vacuum. It's also cordless, which is great because all it needs is a freaking battery. That is why I got this. And Ryobi is such an awesome brand. So we're gonna open it up and then I'm gonna show you what's inside and we're gonna try out the product and we're gonna review it. So let's do it. Too bad. I wonder if, does Ryobi have any blades? Because they should. So this is what the inside will look like. Pretty awesome, right? All right, let's open this up. And I'll just take this out, but this is the moment of, what is this? Oh, this is the lid. So this is really, really cool. This is the top, and I'm gonna show you how to put it together. This is where the battery goes, which is great. So let's put this together. So that's the lid. And here we have the hose. Pretty long, which is great. We have the filter. Pretty freaking awesome. Different nozzles for the vacuum. This is for the filter. We'll show you how to put it together. This is for, I have no idea yet. And these look like they're for locking the lid to the box. Here's the manual. As my other videos, as you always know, is that nobody reads this, so we're just gonna ignore it. Do not remove the float from the assembly. Oh, wow, secret screws. I didn't know they were back there. Trash it belongs. All right, so let's pull this out. Also, more nozzles. Probably like drumsticks. Here's the other clip. Okay, cool. So let's remove the box. Oh, I'm so excited to use this. Super excited. The cool thing is, this is my favorite part. It does 360 spin. Let's assemble it. So we're gonna put this on top. So here's the clip. This little bar is gonna go underneath here. Just like that. Spin it 360 because that's a cool feature, right? Another bar. Clip it just like that. Last one. Pay attention. Take notes. There you go. And that's for this, right? 360 spin. Boom. The great thing about this Ryobi is that you can carry it. It's about 16 pounds. Not too bad. Before we start using it, we are going to get the filter. Going to get the filter, put this inside here, I think. And the cool thing is that this little hole right here is gonna go in here. So it's gonna secure it very tightly, just like that. Look at that. Cool. Next thing is we will attach the hose, but I don't know which one goes which. I believe it's this one. See, told you it wasn't that one. There you go. Oh, I love this. Look at this. So this clamp right here is very great. You can just clamp it just like that. Easy to remove. Cool, right? All right, and it's very secured. I love it because I've seen some vacuums where you pull it and this thing comes off. This one has no issue on that. And the best part is that since you won't be using a cord, an extension cord for this, you can just take it anywhere. So I like this a lot. We're gonna put, so this is with a setup. As you can see, we're gonna put this right on top. The cool thing is that it doesn't matter which way you're putting it. Maybe it does. Oh, I see. I got it. So this goes there. Then this one goes there, right? Also, FYI, I made a small mistake again. Is that you put this filter in here to lock it in. You get this and you put it on top of here. Make sure that the arrows are aligned, just like right here. This doesn't move at all. But you do have to insert the screws that I told you to throw away that was behind this, remember? There's 3 screws. Don't forget to install this. So you're gonna insert the screws just like this. And then you go get a screwdriver. Okay, so once you put those screws and you've gotten a screwdriver, you're just gonna twist it in, just like that. Same for the others. Remember, there's 3 of them. The last one, boom, done. And this won't come off. Now this just goes in here just like this. Beautiful. And then you lock it all in. 360. Clip. Clip. Perfect. This is really cool. Okay, here's a really cool feature about these things. You see this elastic bands? This is pretty cool because you can insert all these gadgets in here just like this. Actually, there's actually other elastic bands here. I think these are better for this one. Bam. Give me that. Put this through here. Pull that one and boom. Just like that. Makes it look much more professional. And for the last one, boom.
It looks like Wally.
Right? Look at this. Easy to carry, which is great. Everything's in one place. Once you're done with this, you can just wrap it around just like that. Look at that. That's freaking perfect. Time to go vacuum. Okay, so I'm very excited to use this. Let's turn it on just to see how it works. So the unfortunate part is that it doesn't come with a battery, but if you're getting Ryobi products, you have to have batteries. Like, you have to have one lying around because one battery is good for all of them, for any single Ryobi tool. So we're gonna insert this in here. Boom. And there you go, it's broken. So I will tell you, it's pretty strong. It's very loud, but that's okay. I don't mind that. So yeah, that's a great thing about this Ryobi vacuum is that you can push it, carry it anywhere, and it's really easy to move. So if I was just cleaning, I can easily do. So we're gonna start using it right now. Actually, before we use it, let's put on a nozzle just to see how it would work. All right, let's go get some leaves. Here you go, the moment of truth. Now let's try a different nozzle. As you can see, it cleans really good. Let's put in the extension. This is actually an extension. This is freaking cool. I love this. I'm gonna clean the whole house with this now. It's very awesome. I love that it's very easy to carry. So we've already tested this with leaves, and they're actually very, very clean, and I'm happy with it. Now let's try it with water, because it says wet and dry, so. Okay, so I just got water. You check this out right here. So I have water here, right? In order to convert this into a water vacuum, you have to take out the filter. So I'll put this back, because I don't want to lose anything. We are going to lift these off. Oh, come check this out. So here, you see everything that we had just picked up, which is so great. So again, to convert this into a water vacuum, you take this filter off, just like that. Obviously, you're gonna have to dump this first, but let's just do it with the dirt. How about that? So, we're going to put this back, just like this. Clamp it. Just like that. And, actually, let's use this hose again. I love this extension. Okay, so now we're gonna suck up this water. But remember to take out the filter. We're gonna test this out. And you see the water? Look at this. There's a lot of water in here. A lot of it. Let's do this. I gotta tell you, Riverside is very hot. I can tell you that this vacuum was just very thirsty. And there you have it. That's how this thing drinks up the water. Now let's check the result. Unclamp these. Boom! Look at all that water. It's amazing. I love it. So in here, in this one vacuum, it's about 6 gallons. So you can put up 6 gallons worth of water, 6 gallons worth of dirt, or whatever you're trying to suck up. But yeah, that's enough for this capacity. Alright guys, so that's the end of this video. If you like this vacuum and you would like to purchase one, there's going to be a link in the description box below and in the comment section down below. Or if you plan to buy any Ryobi tool, also use my link below. And remember, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos, and that is it. Alright guys, I'll see you guys very soon. Is this thing on? Imagine, that'd be funny.